Hey guys, Iron Ginkgo here. I just thought I'd do another 2-day cold start vid with my 77 Olds, the Fire Chief. Make sure the batteries are charged. Alrighty. Give me that key. Where is it? I got a million keys. Not a million, but quite a few. Alright, 3 pumps again. And hold it. Hold it at about a fourth. Yeah. Starts right up. What a great car. Let it run for a little bit. That used to be where the pipe came out. But that's loud. So I got on my PT gear. It wants to climb the... Alright guys, that's all for me today. Thanks for watching. Bye.